We have this little wasted space here between the desk and the wall, and there's just no place to move it. The office is very narrow, so I had some scrap steel and wanted to put together some little table in here. One of those weekend welding projects. This is what I came up with. It's all made out of scrap stuff. The wood part is old flooring. These leg pieces are from a 50-year-old fence, and they've been welded together from little pieces. You can see a joint down here somewhere. It's pretty rough. It looks like wrought iron. It's so beat up. Again, made from flooring, old flooring, and some stainless steel screws for feet, carriage bolts, and the nuts are welded up inside of there. These side pieces are some angle iron, and it's screwed on underneath. That's about it. Very simple little project to recover some of that wasted space, maybe next to a couch or something like that. But anyway, that's it. This is the table installed. It's flush right here because of the 4 adjustable feet. Recovered that space between the wall and the desk. Gave an extra shelf, if you can see it down underneath here. Again, the adjustable feet here. And that was it. So got that space back and used, and I hope you find this interesting. It's a good weekend welding project, and turns out something rather useful.